I'm going.
Three, two, one.
Run!
Why?
There was a giant in that place. I don't know why.
Come over here. Let me just shoot it for you. Where's this little creature? I mean, big creature. Where is he?
Where are you guys?
He's in there. Right there.
What's up, chat?
There we go.
That worked.
Alright. I'm gonna go kill the chicken now. Oh! There we go. Oh my god, what is this crate? Oh, can I
And
have
the blood
that?
nest.
I need that. I need that.
Okay, take it. It's right
Why are
there.
you guys are here?
Yeah, I have no
Oh, there's a
ammo left.
revolver.
Can I have it, please?
There's a free revolver.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah,
I
thank you.
need it. Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go kill.
Can anyone go home to me? I don't know where.
There we go. Hulk smash. Alright. Hey, where's the golden egg? I got
There.
sand.
Who's there? Me.
Oh.
Go to the entrance of the forest.
Oh, another nade.
Where my gun
Well,
go?
I was gonna bring a flashlight to Haunted Mansion, but now I'm lost.
Yo, I am not that
Get that
heavy.
nade.
Why?
Get that nade. Guys, are we going to Haunted Mansion?
I don't know.
I lost my life. Yep.
Spider-Man. He can do anything that you can.
Hold on, you?
Yeah, bro, I had 5 notes in my bag and somebody killed me and stole it.
I'm ready. Come in my bag. Got more. You have to pick it up. Wow, I'm officially bank. Actually, I put it in my bag. Wait, bro. How do you get them? How do you unlock them? I get my friend to give me another.
How do you turn it on?
Nope.
Don't sell. Do not sell. You're so frick. Why did you sell? It was him. Yeah, I got it. That little monkey sell. What did I do? You sold. I saw you press all the buttons. Look, there's one right here. Where? I get it.
Oh no. It's flying away.
No. Trade. No, or
I need my